Hello everyone, welcome back. Thinking about hitting the courts but not sure which racket to pick? Using the wrong gear can lead to frustration and even injuries. In this guide, we've tested and ranked the top 5 tennis rackets for beginners in 2026. Let's get started and level up your game. Product number 1, Wilson Tour Slam Adult Recreational Tennis Racket. The Wilson Tour Slam is the full-sized workstation of beginner rackets. It features an oversized 112 square inch head, which provides a massive sweet spot, much like the forgiving nature of a high-quality mechanical switch. This design is specifically engineered for power and stability, making it easier for new players to return balls even on off-center hits. The volcanic frame technology enhances the build quality, providing a rigid chassis that doesn't vibrate excessively. One of its standout features is the stop shock pads, which act as the racket's internal dampeners, reducing string vibration for a smoother feel on the arm. The extra length of the racket provides increased reach and leverage on serves, a crucial ergonomic advantage for recreational play. For the beginner who wants a reliable name brand entry point that prioritizes raw power and comfort, the Wilson Tour Slam remains a gold standard in the 2026 market. Product number 2, Oppum Pro 500 Adult Tennis Rackets 2-Pack. The Oppum Pro 500 is the ultimate starter kit bundle, offering incredible value for those looking to jump into the sport with a partner. This 2-pack features 105 square inch oversized heads, hitting the perfect balance between control and power. The carbon fiber and aluminum composite material used in the frame ensures a lightweight yet durable build quality, allowing for rapid swings without the fatigue associated with heavier pro-spec rackets. This set is pre-strung, meaning it is ready to use right out of the box, similar to a pre-built mechanical keyboard. The inclusion of a carry bag and 2 balls makes it a complete layout for a day at the courts. The triangular double-hole design helps absorb impact, protecting the beginner's wrist and elbow. For 2 players looking for a budget-friendly but technically sound entry into tennis, the Oppum Pro 500 offers a versatile and high-value solution. Product number 3, Wilson Federer Adult Recreational Tennis Racket. Named after the legend himself, the Wilson Federer racket is designed for the beginner who values a tactile and controlled feel. With a slightly smaller head than the Tour Slam, it offers a more precise switch for players who want to develop their accuracy and swing technique. The Arc 2 technology in the frame provides greater stability during the swing, ensuring that the racket head remains square to the ball upon impact. The build quality is exactly what you would expect from Wilson: durable, sleek, and well-balanced. It comes with a 4 3/8 inch grip, size 3, which is the most common standard layout for adult hands, offering a secure and comfortable hold. The perforated grip technology aids in moisture absorption, preventing slips during intense rallies. For a recreational player who wants to emulate a professional aesthetic while benefiting from a frame designed for forgiveness, this racket is a top-tier choice. Product number 4, HXE Tennis Rackets for Adults 2-Player Set. The HXE Tennis Set is the modular kit of the tennis world, coming packed with everything a beginner needs to fine-tune their experience. This 27-inch recreational set includes 2 pre-strung rackets, 2 balls, and most importantly, 2 overgrips. Overgrips are like the custom keycaps of tennis. They allow the user to adjust the thickness and tackiness of the handle to suit their specific hand size and preference. The rackets feature an aluminum one-piece molded technology, which significantly improves the build quality and structural integrity compared to cheaper 2-piece models. This results in better energy transfer from the arm to the ball. The 102 square inch head size offers a slightly more intermediate feel, making these rackets a great choice for beginners who plan to improve quickly. It's a comprehensive, high-value bundle that emphasizes customization and durability for long-term use. Product number 5, Pro Tennis Racket for Adults Speed Tennis Set. This Pro Tennis Racket set is engineered for high-speed actuation, focusing on maneuverability and vibration control. The kit stands out by including 3 tennis balls and 2 vibration dampeners. Vibration dampeners are the O-rings of the tennis world. They clip onto the strings to silence the ping sound and reduce the shock felt in the handle, providing a much quieter and more professional tactile feedback. The 27-inch frame is designed for a lightweight speed swing, allowing beginners to react quickly to incoming shots. The high-tension strings are pre-installed to a professional standard, ensuring that you get a crisp response with every hit. The overall build is robust enough for both beginners and those transitioning into intermediate play. If you are a player who is sensitive to racket vibration and wants a complete, professional-feeling setup at a recreational price, this speed-oriented set is an excellent investment.